Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer, and today we have another perfume from the new collection of Areej Le Dore. So the next perfume I'm going to test from this new collection is Beauty and the Beast. Now I was most interested in this because it has very good amount of oud. You can see from the bottle over here. So let me show you this over here like this. So you can see this is the sample actually, and it is almost a brown, dark brown kind of liquid, and it has a lot of Hindi oud. Let me just read what it has. Okay, so it has top notes of Indian rose, French cocoa, and the heart note Indian oud distilled in rose water, other various Hindi ouds. So if you love Hindi oud, or you can bear the skank or the funky side of Hindi oud, then this is for you. I'm going to spray this and I will tell you how this actually feels. Sweet cocoa, chocolatey, light chocolatey in the start, some rose in the background, a bit gourmandish in the start. Start is gourmandish or gourmand kind of start due to cocoa, and then it just have the power of Hindi oud oil, or the punch the Hindi oud oil have. Although it is very good for the Hindi oud lovers, or if you like Hindi oud oils, this perfume is for you. But I would say that personally, in the public, I think you cannot wear this perfume. This is really challenging, one of the most challenging perfumes, because in the dry down, it is just Hindi oud oil. It is so powerful. It has some funk, or I would say some skanky light smell in the background. Although we shouldn't say it funk, it is kind of like rose is there. It is very light rose, calming rose, not heavy like Turkish rose. Turkish rose is a bit more powdery. This is light, watery kind of rose in the background. Oud is overpowering over here, Hindi oud all over everywhere. So cocoa is gone, almost gone. I think I would never wear this around my wife or my kids, because when I sprayed this, they actually very much disliked it. So if you really like Hindi oud oils, or someone from your friends or anyone who love Hindi oud oils, then this is going to be the traditional Hindi oud oil perfume, the best one, the natural one. I would say this is very good. Cocoa is already there, but it is all the notes, they are supporting Hindi oud oil. So Hindi oud oil is actually in the lead over here, or actually roaring everywhere like a lion, and all others are actually supporting that. My second favorite would be this one, although I think I would maybe never try to buy this or wear this in public, but maybe alone at night I might wear this one. Very challenging, very nice Hindi oud oil perfume. If you like Hindi oud oils, this is the best thing. This is Beauty and the Beast, and I think the Beast here is really lovely. Beast is really powerful, and Beauty is there in the background with the roses, with the cocoa, and all these sweet light stuff at the background. So that is my interpretation of Beauty and the Beast. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like Hindi oud oils, do purchase this Beauty and the Beast from Areej Le Dore. I would have the link in the description below. So that is all. We will meet in another video, and make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.